Hello, dear children. We, the mathematics teachers, welcome you back to the next session of the e-learning program. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Let us quickly recall of what we learnt in the previous session. We learnt meaning of subtraction, subtraction statements, subtracting on a number strip. In today's session, we shall learn subtracting 1, subtracting 0, subtracting a number from itself. We shall move on to our first topic, subtracting 1. Let us learn this concept with an example. Here we have 4 chocolates. Let us take away 1 chocolate from these chocolates. So we write this as 4 minus 1. Now let us count the number of chocolates left. We have 3 chocolates left. We read this as 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So we say that when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. For example, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. We shall learn this concept with few more examples. There are 2 apples here. If we take away 1 apple, we have 1 apple left. That is, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. There are 8 smileys here. If we take away 1 smiley, we have 7 smileys left. That is, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. There are 6 flowers here. If we take away 1 flower, we have 5 flowers left. That is, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now let us find out the answers for the given examples. Nine minus 1 is equal to 8, because 8 comes just before 9. 17 minus 1 is equal to 16, because 16 comes just before 17. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, because 4 comes just before 5. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, because 10 comes just before 11. We now move on to our next topic, subtracting 0. There are 5 oranges in a bowl. If we don't take or eat any orange, then the same number of oranges are left. We can write this as 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. In the next example, there are 10 pencils in the pencil stand. If we don't take out any pencils from the pencil stand, then we are left with 10 pencils. We can write this as 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. Therefore, we can say that when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. For example, 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Let us learn this concept with few more examples. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, because if we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. 11 minus 0 is equal to 11, because if we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. 15 minus 0 is equal to 15, because if we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. 19 minus 0 is equal to 19, because if we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Let us now move on to the next topic, subtracting a number from itself. We have 4 cookies kept here. If we eat 4 cookies, then nothing is left. We can write this as 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. There are 6 fish in the fish bowl. If we take out all the 6 fish with the help of a net, we have no fish left in the fish bowl. We can write this as 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So we say that when we subtract a number from the same number, the answer is always 0. Let us learn this concept with few more examples. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, because when we subtract a number from the same number, the answer is always 0. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0, because when we subtract a number from the same number, the answer is always 0. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0, because when we subtract a number from the same number, the answer is always 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, because when we subtract a number from the same number, the answer is always 0. With this, we have reached the end of today's session. Dear children, hope you are able to solve the home assignments. check your answers in the PDF file that will be sent. Dear children, kindly complete your home assignment with the help of your parents. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.